Hi, I'm Michelle Phillips of Codefetti. Today I'm going to show you how to use Astra widgets to add an address widget into your WordPress site. Now, this tutorial assumes that you've already set up a site using the free Astra theme or the Astra Pro plugin. Here's an example of the widget. You can choose whether or not you want to display the icons, which I've chosen to display here. You can display the address widget in the header, sidebar, footer bar, or footer widget. So let's get started and see how this is done. The first thing you want to do is install Astra widgets. Go to Plugins, Add New, and then in the Search Plugins box, type in Astra widgets. Click Install Now, and then activate the widget. Once done, you'll have 3 new widgets. If you go to Appearance, Widgets, you'll see Astra Address, Astra List Icons, and Astra Social Profiles. So let's add the address widget into our main sidebar. Click the drop-down for Astra Address, make sure Main Sidebar is selected, and then click Add Widget. You note that widget is now added as the 3rd widget in the main sidebar. Now configure this widget with your information. You can either stack the information or put it in line. We'll leave it with stack for this demo. I want to display the icons, and I'll just fill in my address information now. You can specify the icon color if you've checked the box to display icons, in which case I'll want to use my brand colors, and then I'll click the Save. Now when I go to my contact page, you can see we now have the address widget as the 3rd widget in our main sidebar. So it's pretty easy to do. I hope you found this demo helpful. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.